Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I want to give you a quick glimpse of 5% windshield tint. And before y'all get in the comments trying to parent me and so on and so forth, I'm true to this, not new to this. This isn't my first tinted windshield, and this can be reversed. I can pull it off. So 5% on the entire windshield. I got the car in direct sunlight, and it's just straight black. That's the windshield. Every other window is 5% as well, so literally 5% all around. I just got it done this morning, so I haven't had a chance to drive it at night yet. But here is how it looks during the day. I didn't get the strip on top of it just because it's already dark enough. It's no need to add any strip or anything, but this is 5% ceramic tint. I know a lot of people will ask, but it doesn't matter if it's ceramic, carbon, or dyed. The VLT, visible light transmission, is 5%. So it's not gonna make it look any clearer, any less dark, but yeah. So a little overexposed, but there's that. And once I shut the door, it kind of evens back out. At the moment, I'm pretty sure the windshield seems darker than the actual windows, and I think because this still has to cure. Like I said, I just got it done this morning, so it's still got like the haziness to it. But in the next clip, I will show you guys a video at night, and then hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision if you want to go this dark on your windshield, or just leave it how it is. All right. So this is going to be a nighttime view of the 5% windshield. This is going to be without street lights. So if you live in the country or you drive on dark country roads, this is what you're going to see. So it's a little overexposed. Let me turn it down just a little bit. All right. So that's probably a more accurate representation of what I'm seeing. So it's not bad, to be honest, but it's going to take some getting used to, for sure. I can still see all of the cars in front of me, all the tail lights, all of the oncoming traffic. They're not blinding anymore. I can literally tell what every make and model of car is because their headlights look like candles too. But yeah, so this is what it looks like at night. Not too bad, but definitely got to get used to it. This is my first time driving with it at night, and I've been driving for about 15-20 minutes, and my eyes have already adjusted to it. So in the next clip, I will show you what it's like driving at night, but with streetlights present. That's my most normal driving conditions, driving at night with streetlights. So in the next clip, I will show that, and then I'll let you guys make the decision on what you want to do. Okay, so this is a good representation of what it's like driving at night with the street lights out. So obviously a little bit better because you have that ambient lighting from outside of the car. So yeah, once again, this is 5% ceramic tint, but any 5% tint will look the exact same. Doesn't matter if it's carbon, ceramic, or dyed film. 5% VLT is going to be a 5% VLT regardless. I guess a couple of reasons why I did it. One, I've been wanting to have a 5% windshield for years, just never really pulled the trigger on it. Two, privacy, that speaks within itself. Three, I don't know if you guys know, but when you have dark tint and like dark tint all around without the windshield being tinted, it takes a little bit for your eyes to adjust back to the front windshield because of the light differences. So this definitely takes care of that for you. And for aesthetics, so with my car being white and having the black roof, I felt like a dark windshield makes it look a lot more sleek and better. Once again, that's subjective, obviously, but that's just how I feel. But as always, if you guys have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I don't regret it. I wish I would have done it sooner, actually. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.